Currently, YouTube is flooded with average content. Tens of thousands of people are posting online every single day, yapping around the same niches, recycling old, worn-out ideas, saturating the platform with basic videos, and burning themselves out even before they even have a chance to compete. Why does this happen? Because most people try to copy their favorite creators like Mr. Beast, PewDiePie, Logan Paul, etc., without even realizing that YouTube is like building a brand. And why would someone shop from your brand when they can have an easy access to brands like Gucci or Louis Vuitton? Why should the algorithm pick your videos instead of Mr. Beast? Are you making any better content than these giants of YouTube? It's easy to turn the heads of their audience from a content that's already polished, perfected, and proven? And most importantly, is it easy to make content like this for years and years and years and years? A big no. That's why you need more than just inspiration. Check this YouTube channel out. Yes, this is its name. Weird, but intriguing, right? With only 13 solid videos under his banner, he managed to break those charts and secured almost 500,000 subs in less than a year. And how did he manage to do all of this in just a year? He started with a great idea. He used humor to explain complex science stuff, changed them into basic fact info, and delivered that with such fluency that even a layman would watch his videos with great interest. That's how he maximized his viewership to large-scale audience, simply by just making his content unique and understandable. And that's why it's so important to be a cut from a different cloth. You need to be the odd one out, the pink cow among the herd, and an eccentric thought will take you there. To begin with a good idea, you must pick a niche. Choose something that excites you, something that's fun to do, something that you can do over and over again and still be relevant. Here, your audience is your algorithm.
Anytime you say the word algorithm, just replace it with audience. The algorithm didn't like that video? No, the audience.
So, if your video didn't hit the spot, don't blame it on the algorithm. To be included in YouTube's algorithm, you have to use the supply and demand rule. Make what's in demand, study the psychology of your audience, create what they want, and create better than anyone else. But before anything, let's talk about some cheat codes. There are 2 ways to cash that gold up. Don't understand? Let me tell you, every game has some loopholes, some shortcuts, some easy wins, some jackpots. Think about that jackpot upgrade in Subway Surfers. It lets you fly, collect all the coins, and for a moment, you're on top of the world. But here's the catch. It's all good things for a short period of time, right? YouTube is no different. You can have such wins on YouTube as well. Post 5 shorts per day. Wait for one of them to actually blow up and voila, generate your first $1,000 in a month. Buy your favorite stuff, pay your bills, and then what?
A couple of months ago, I made the decision to quit, and everybody here understands.
How are you going to create something better than the video that just hit the million mark? How are you going to be in the loop? And after years, would you be able to upload 5 shorts a day? So the real question is, do you want to earn 7 figures? Or do you want to keep earning 7 figures or more till the rest of your life? Because if you're in this for the long run, you need something bigger than just a quick win. You need quality over quantity, originality over trends, something that's uniquely yours, something that makes you stand out from the crowd. YouTube isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's not about how fast you can get that first viral hit, it's about how long you can stay in the game. To do that, you've got to carry your audience with you. Because in a platform where trends shift faster than ever, it's easy to lose relevance, to be left behind. That's why you need to build a channel that's not just chasing views, but creating value. You need content that's built to last. You want to make sure that your audience is vibing along with your ideas. They are clicking on your damn videos, and they are watching it till the end and coming back for more and more. And to make people click on your video, we need to study another concept of economy. The butterfly effect means that a small change can cause a massive impact, and on YouTube, that small change is your title, your thumbnail, and the first 10 seconds of your video. Your title needs to be short, punchy, and impossible to ignore. Have a look at these titles of some of the most popular videos on YouTube. They are all short, inviting, and a call to action. Your title should leave a mark on your audience's mind, make them think about it long after they've read it. The kind of title that creates an itch they just have to scratch. Next up, your thumbnail. It's got to be bold, inviting, and perfectly aligned with your video's content. It's the first thing people see, and if it doesn't grab their attention, they'll scroll right past. Because according to one of the YouTube gurus,
if people are clicking your video more than they click other videos and they're watching it longer than they watch other videos, I just, as simplistic as that is, that's like what YouTube wants, and I think that's how you just, be successful.
And then there's the first 10 seconds. Thanks to YouTube's autoplay feature, these 10 seconds are everything. In that short span of time, you need to grab people's attention by hook or by crook, because it's not only a way to get clicks, but it's also a route to your million views. Now, what separates a YouTube video with 1 million views from one that never takes off? It's not just the idea, it's the execution. You need to master the art of selling your idea. Think of your script as the blueprint for a building. A great script engages with the audience. Relative retention, hooks, rhetorics, these are your tools. Execute them flawlessly, and you'll not only build a video, but you'll also create an experience. But even the best blueprint is worthless without skilled hands to build it. Learn from Wacky Science. According to his bio, he's just a 19-year-old boy who's currently sitting at the driving seat of YouTube's algorithm, shifting paradigms with his insane editing skills. 7 videos in 7 months. And there you have it, millions of views plus 200,000 subs. The cool thing about his content is that it's packed with multiple cuts. With his dope editing skills, he never lets the attention of his audience go sideways and keeps them engaged to such a point that people are even willing to learn general chemistry. This brings us to a crucial point that many miss. Your audience is investing their time in your content, and your job is to make them forget about that time. Make them wait eagerly for your next upload, binge watch your entire channel, and become addicted to your content. That's where editing comes in. It's the art of turning raw footage into something extraordinary, something that hooks viewers and keeps them glued to the screen. Let's break this down. Imagine you've got a script that's engaging, packed with value, and designed to speak directly to your audience. That's a solid start, but if your editing doesn't match up, you'll lose them faster than you can say, skip ad. Editing isn't just about cutting footage. It's about selling an idea with good packaging, setting the pace, and creating an atmosphere that makes viewers feel something. It's the difference between a good video and a great one. You can either outsource your work, hire talented people to write your scripts, direct your storyline, and execute your strategies, or take it all on yourself. But here's the catch. Don't be the jack of all trades and master of none. For example, if you're great at writing scripts, hire top-notch editors from freelancing platforms. Let them bring your vision to life with flawless execution, so you won't have to stress over every detail. Don't think too much. Give a good proofread to your ideas and make something out of it, and keep making it until you hit the charts. It doesn't matter if your first video sucks. You can either rescribe your ideas or subscribe to my channel to learn more about the insights of this gaming arena.